Okay, it is Friday, I believe. Is it Friday? No, Thursday, January 21st. 1 p.m. local time in Cordoba. Well, I tried to negotiate with these folks there's another king room without the bathtub next door. Online, it was, after taxes, it was 15 or 1600. That's 1550, I think. It was like 1250, I think, before taxes. So I said to them, I said, hey, I'll take that room. They offered me the room when they said it was full last night. So I said, all right, so if I'm going to change my plan, all right, I overpaid last night slightly, so I'll underpay tonight. I figured it would be a good trade-off. So I said, 1,300 pesos. She said, well, let me ask my boss. So she never got back to me, so I went out and I said, hey, what's the story? I'm packing up. She said, we'll do 1,800 pesos. And I was like, okay, well, that's giving me nothing, and it's higher than what I'd pay online. So I said, forget about it. I don't want any problems. I'm just going to leave. And then she said, how about the 2 beds for the 1,300 pesos? I said, I really don't care if it's 1 bed or 2 beds. I don't. But at this point, I'm packed. So long story short, this is what I'm rambling. I'm not real sharp today. Like yesterday, the rain, I don't know. I'm feeling very tired. And when I get tired, I get cranky, and I have to be extra cognizant of that so that I don't bite somebody's head off. So my goal is, not to come here and relax. My goal, it's nice to relax, don't get me wrong, but it's a mission to explore. So for me to stay here another night, it would kind of actually be, what are you doing, Dave? So even though I feel like staying, I'm just gonna move on. I'm gonna go to the next place, 14 de las Flores, stay in a crappy hotel there, and who knows? See what happens. But say lovey. Signing off. And I think this is the girl coming now. So adios.